At a time when discussions about a possible leadership change in the state Congress are gaining momentum once again, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has triggered a massive political debate with a series of powerful posts on social media platform X. His tweets have not just created curiosity, they have shaken the political atmosphere in the state. The Chief Minister openly addressed the criticism and attacks against him. He said that one of the reasons he is being targeted is the caste into which he was born. According to him, many of the accusations and personal attacks from his political opponents are rooted in this very fact. He made a strong and emotional statement. He said that some people cannot tolerate the fact that a man who once herd sheep has risen to become the chief minister. He added that what is really burning inside his critics is jealousy and impatience. That someone from a humble background is now standing shoulder to shoulder with economic experts, presenting budget after budget and receiving appreciation. The Chief Minister said his opponents believe that if they manage to finish him politically, their path will be easier. According to him, this is not just political rivalry, it is a calculated conspiracy. He went even further and connected his situation to historical figures who fought for social change. He mentioned personalities like Gautam Buddha, Basavarna, B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Periyar, E.V. Ramaswamy, Narayana Guru and Kana Kadasa. He said that throughout history, those who tried to bring social reform face resistance, suppression and even elimination. Speaking about Basavarna, he said that the reformer tried to break caste barrier, supported inter-caste marriages and worked to bring self-respect to deprived communities. According to the Chief Minister, such efforts were met with organized opposition. Drawing a parallel, Siddaramaiah said that fighting for social justice has never been easy. From his own experience, he said that pushing the wagon of social justice forward is a difficult task. Every time he has raised his voice for the poor and the underprivileged, he has faced attacks. He clearly stated that he stands with the poor, the exploited and those denied opportunity. He said he supports social justice, stands by the constitution and has implemented programs aimed at helping weaker sections of society. He reminded people that the Congress party came to power with 136 seats because the public trusted this vision. According to him, this mandate is something his opponents cannot accept. The Chief Minister also brought Rahul Gandhi into the discussion. He claimed that similar conspiracies are now being planned against Rahul Gandhi as well. He said that ever since Rahul Gandhi began speaking strongly about social justice, caste census and increasing reservations and working to unite people beyond caste and religion, efforts to politically defeat him have intensified. In his message, Siddaramaiah emphasized that times have changed. He said this is not the era of Manu, nor the time of kings and Maharajas. India is a democracy and the biggest protection citizens have is the constitution given by Baba Saheb Ambedkar. One of the most striking parts of his post was deeply personal. He reflected on his 4-decade-long political journey. He said it has never been a bed of flowers. Instead, it has been a road full of stones and thorns. Many powerful leaders, he claimed, have tried different tricks to end his political career. But he said he survived because of the blessings and support of the people. He made it clear that these conspiracies are not just against him. As an individual, they are against the people who believe in him, support him and trust him. And then came his strongest line. He declared that as long as he has breath, he will continue to fight. He said this is not just his personal fight, it is a fight for truth, justice and dharma. He promised that he will not step back. In his own words, he said, "I cannot be a coward who runs away from the battlefield." These statements have now intensified political discussion across Karnataka. Supporters see this as a bold stand for social justice. Critics see it as a political counterattack at a time when leadership debates are gaining attention. But one thing is certain, Siddaramaya's words have reignited conversations about caste, power, social justice, and political survival in Karnataka. The question now remains, is this just a political storm on social media or the beginning of a bigger battle within state politics? Only time will tell.